sides, and then what?
Fold it.
Fold it, you're right. Oops, I need to. It's important to write your name on both sides because once you cut this in half, part of it won't have your name on it. We're adding 9s and 2s. We do one time in class with me, then we do it with partner. I'll say the problems, you say the end. 4 plus 2 equals?
6.
5 plus 9 equals?
14.
6 plus 2 equals?
8.
9 plus 1 equals?
10.
2 plus 2 equals?
4.
8 plus 9 equals?
17.
9 plus 3 equals?
12.
2 plus 8 equals?
10.
9 plus 6 equals?
15.
2 plus 5 equals?
7.
9 plus 2 equals?
11.
2 plus 3 equals?
5.
4 plus 9 equals?
13.
9 plus 9 equals?
18.
7 plus 2 equals?
9.
1 plus 2 equals?
3.
9 plus 0 equals?
9.
9 plus 7 equals?
16.
2 plus 9 equals?
11.
8 plus 2 equals?
10.
9 plus 4 equals?
13.
9 plus 8 equals?
17.
2 plus 4 equals?
6.
We're going slow. 9 plus 5 equals? 14. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 7 plus 9 equals 16. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 3 plus 9 equals 12. Okay, we'll stop there. We didn't get quite to 30. I'm thinking you might get to 30 when you do it. Now we're going to put you in partners, with partners. And we'll do like that. Hannah and Everett, you two kids, and you two kids. Find your partner. The kid that has the smaller number goes first. And you might want to move away from your partner if you're talking really loud.
Wait, I have this. You have the smallest one.
And Hannah and Everett, you can move someplace else too. You can move someplace else. Okay, ready? Start.
6, 14, 8, 4, 17, 12, 10, 11, 14, 17, 12, 10, 15, 16,
Stop. Okay, so you want to tell them what they did wrong? Tell them what their score was.
You got 0 wrong. 6.
Okay, it's time for the next child to leave.
To the 16.
Ready? Start.
6, 14, 8, 10, 4, 17, 12, 10, 15, 7, 11, 5, 15, 13, 13, 18, 9, 16, 9,
time's up? Tell them how they did. Wow. Your goal was 30. Anybody get 30? Wow, good job.
Like on the first time. I got 40 on the first time. This time I don't know what to cut into, but I felt like tired. Because we just got this.
So now we get to write our answers, and you can see what our goal is here. Our goal is 25 pencil answers correct. If you get done before I say stop, then quietly put your pencil down. If you don't get done when I say switch, then you switch to a crayon. Everybody has a crayon ready? But we don't want to tell people that we're done by our actions. Okay, start. Switch. Nice, it looks like everybody finished in that time. Nice job. All right, let's hear what the answers are. Please turn back to your A side if you flip it over. If you are wearing tie shoes, read the top line.
16, 9, 13, 10, 11.
If you have a birthday in the first half of the year, read the second one.
12, 14, 6, 17, 9.
If you're an odd number, if you're an odd number, read the third line.
17, 10, 13, 8, 14.
Okay, if you're an even number, read the next line.
18, 16, 10, 15, 12.
And then if you're wearing red, white, or blue, read the last line.
8, 11, 7, 17, 10.
Okay, we got through that. So you have 2 timesheets to take home tonight and work on. You don't have to throw them away right now because you're gonna get more papers, right? shade a thermometer to the nearest 2 degrees Fahrenheit. So this morning when I looked at the thermometer, Livia, I checked what it looked like so I could tell Livia what it was, and it looked like this, the thermometer that's in the window. I colored this one in already. Can you see how far up the alcohol goes in it? If you were to round this off to the nearest 10, what would it be? Will?
50.
Right, it would be 50. It's close to 50. Well, we have to figure out what this temperature is, but I know Olivia already knows, and you already know if you were paying attention back there. We see on a thermometer that they usually count by tens like this, and they usually have lines in between the numbers that indicate some other number. Because it's so crowded, they don't have room to put all the other numbers on there. It would just be so crowded with numbers, you couldn't read it. So in between, you have to judge, what do these lines stand for? I could say maybe I count by ones. So I would do like between here, I'll go 60, 61, 62, 63. That wouldn't work. One is too small. Do you have a suggestion for us?
Yes, I'm pretty sure that it's by twos.
Great, let's try twos. I'll start at 70. Let's see if he's right. 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. Wow, you did the whole lesson already. Good job. Everett.
I'm pretty sure you taught that like earlier in October.
Maybe you learned it another time?
No, I think you did. You told us that.
Well, I'm glad you remember something I said then too. And can I say that we're doing that same thing in science? Do you remember that in science? We're looking at that thermometer? Okay. So what we learned is we learned that there's too many, there's too little space to write all the numbers, but Vinny told us we're going to count by twos to count them. I'm going to erase this one, and I'm going to do another one. I'll say 26. I'm going to show 26 degrees. I put a mark where 26 is, so I don't color real crazy and sloppy through the whole thing. So I do 20, 22, 24, 26. I'm going to draw a little line there. And we always color from the bottom up because that's where the mercury would be, right? And we color it all the way up and very neatly. But I'm not doing a very neat job. But that's what it would look like. The center part is where that liquid is going up and down. It used to be mercury. I say mercury, it's now alcohol. Probably. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do, if it's really hot outside, it's 80 degrees. I'll do 84. And I would color it from here all the way up, but neater than that, up to 84. 80, 82, 84. Now you'll get a practice in doing this on some pretend thermometers. Do you want to take out a colored pencil or a crayon to color them in? And I picked red because the liquid inside the thermometer is now red. We're putting our names on our papers, and this is just a practice page. You know that sometimes when you do some problems, you want to work ahead and go ahead. Can we all stick together on this one?
Yes.
So we'll all do number 1 together, then we'll start number 2, and then I'll say, you haven't added in numbers 3 and 4. So the first one is, hey, is that the same one I just did? I just did that one. I did that temperature already. It is 84. So find 84 on your thermometer. Find the 80, and then you're going to go 2 ticks above it because you're going to do 80, 82, 84, and then draw a little line there. Show that's where you're going to color. and you see that tube that you're coloring in, you're not coloring the whole thermometer. Yep. I'm gonna see how you do this. Okay, go all the way down to the bottom then. That was a good job. Looks good. I see some kids that are starting at the top, maybe because they drew their alignment. Start down here and color all the way up to that. All right, let's go to the second problem. This one says it's 68. So for 68, you want to go to where 60 is. Oh, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then color from the bottom up. I'm going to come around and look at your 68. It's almost up to 70, isn't it? If we were rounding it off, we'd say 70. Okay, and now you go ahead and do 52 and 16. 16 is kind of cool. 52 is pretty close to what we got today, right? Who told us what freezing was the other day? What's freezing? We haven't learned that. What is it, Lydia? 32, so 16 is below freezing. Wait, that paper you can turn in tomorrow. And I'll just look it over. You know why you draw that little line so you don't accidentally color past it, right?
Have you noticed that it's from high and it's getting colder and colder?
Hey, you're right. Ever notice the pattern of the temperatures? They get colder as they go along.
I also saw that 52 is today's grade.
Yeah, it's, oh, was it 50? Oh, I thought it was 54. I got mixed up. It is
Yeah.
52. You're right. Thank you for pointing that out.
Yeah.
Thank you. I thought that was flipped around. I also have these thermometers if your role would like to look at them. They're from the science. Don't yank on this because they'll break. But you can see what it looks like. This is not like ours out there, and I'm not sure how accurate these are. This has scale for Fahrenheit and Celsius, but we're just doing Fahrenheit, which is the one on the left. No, it's on the right.
We're gonna hand it down.
So if your role just wants to look at them, you can. I don't have enough to do to everybody. But if you want to come up here and look at that thermometer. You can just go up there and look at it. If you look at this one on the Fahrenheit, you can see. I'm not sure if they're accurate is what I said, so sometimes they get messed up. You really couldn't use them except just to look at them. If it's Celsius and then if it's Fahrenheit, it's on the right. We don't learn the Celsius today, we're just learning the Fahrenheit.
I said 24 degrees. Wait, are you guys looking at Celsius? Celsius. Not Fahrenheit.
Okay, can you put the thermometers back on the front desk? It probably is that warm in here, right?
It is. It's 72. Ours is 76. Well, I just
Follow directions and you put it on the front desk here. Thank you.
pretty accurate.
So tell us what we learned today in math. Will, what did we learn in math?
That it doesn't go by ones, but it goes by twos.
Good, you count by twos. Cece,
To shade it and read it.
yeah, to read and shade a thermometer. And you do count by twos, you can't count by ones. Yes?
Ours. Oh, never mind.
Probably it was already said. So here's your worksheet that we're gonna work on right now. And you will put your this on. You may need a ruler. There's an extra one there, give it to this room. I don't know, give one over here. You get one? Ooh, my phone is still going on over there. Okay. We're good to go. It says you should draw a congruent line segment. How long is your line segment? How long is your line segment? Eden, 3 inches is perfect. So you put a dot at the end. Oops, don't make it messy like that. My dots were down there. And you write 3. Did you write your date with words or did you write it with digits? How many did words? How many did digits? Okay. This is like the problem Lydia had in the back of the room. In this one, because they have space to draw, it says Nathan had 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and a dozen pennies. And he lost 2 nickels and 2 pennies. And now it says draw the coins. Draw the coins. How much money does he have now? He had 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and a dozen pennies. He lost 2 nickels and 2 pennies. How much is a dozen? Minnie?
12.
12. So I'm going to draw 12. 2 dimes, 3 nickels, a dozen pennies. You know what? I'm not going to label all these because I'm tired of labeling them. How about you? You're not? You love it? 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and a dozen pennies. And he lost 2 nickels and 2 pennies. Cross off 2 nickels. Cross off 2 pennies. see he has 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 10 pennies. Cece thinks she's got it. What is it, Cece?
31.
Let's see. 10, 20, 25. 35? Did you get 35? I hope I get the right answer. So 2 dimes, 1 nickel, 25, plus 10, 35. Number 2, write the amount using $sign and a decimal point. Olivia got challenged back there for this one, didn't she? You have to put a 0 in front of it? $0.06 is tricky. Because you need a lot of zeros. Okay, if you weren't sure of the answers, please look at the answers up on the overhead. These are your samples, Everett.
For like the counting pennies, it doesn't seem like it's 35 cents because 2 dimes, then we had 3 nickels but we lost 1. So 10, 20, 25, 30, and then we
Did I
have,
do it wrong? Did I get the wrong answer?
and then we have 10 pennies. It should be 40. Yeah, it should.
It's
You
35.
don't have 5 pennies. It's not 35.
Alright, Everett, I got 2 dimes
Yeah.
and 1 nickel.
Oh. That was my fault.
Ooh, I got nervous. Hey, look at number 3. Number 3 is our new lesson. We have to shade 46. So draw your little line at 46. And then shade it from the bottom up there, and you're shading the center. Right? Number 4, write 2 ways to make 28 cents using dimes and pennies. 28 cents is how many dimes, how many pennies? Who wants to give us an answer? Tell us one, Cece.
2 and 8.
2 dimes,
8 pennies.
8 pennies. Hannah, can you give us another one?
1 dime.
Good job, you got it. What will the date be a week from today? I take today's date, oh, this is gonna be easy. 21, and I add 7. What's the date gonna be? Solid.
October 28th.
Hey, look, we're counting by 7s. Our accounting should. I guess we're counting by 7s all the time. October. Number 6. It's 3:30 now. Write the digital time. 1/2 hour from now. Ooh, 3:30, and then take a half an hour after. Well, what do you have?
4 o'clock.
Ooh. Write a fraction to name the shaded part. What fraction would you write? Hadley.
6/12.
She says 6/12. Anybody want to write 1/2? You can do that too. Okay, I'll say the problems, you say the answers. Bottom of the page. Ready? 58 minus 10 equals
48.
23 plus 10 equals
33.
and 73 minus 10 equals
63.